Okay folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and look what we have here. This is a 1958 Plymouth steering wheel, and I'm not sure if it's a Fury or a Savoy. I think it's a Fury, and it's in restorable condition. It does have some cracks in it there, right through here and here, and on the rim over here. Very restorable. The backside has some as well. So if you're doing a Christine car, use it like it is. And the centerpiece here has some pits. It's not broken anywhere that I can see, but it's definitely got some pits. It'll need to be re-chromed. And one of the mounting bolts is missing. The other one seems to be okay. There's a part number if that helps with anything. And over here, I saw another part number. I can't make that out, but anyway, it is available for sale. I'm in North Carolina. I can ship it to Pluto if you want me to ship it there. I don't care where you're at. I can ship it there. You just got to pay for the shipping. Give me an address and a zip code and pay me, and I'll send it on its way. If it's a planet they haven't yet discovered, I can ship it there too, as long as it's got a zip code and address. All right, folks. If you're interested in this thing, let me know. And I'll use PayPal. We'll make payment arrangements. Or we can do a postal money order. So, 58 Plymouth steering wheel. Getting a little hard to come by. This one's already been pulled. You'll need to drive to the junkyard and walk down in there and take your tools and force the door open and that. I already did all that for you. Folks, we got a lot of content on the channel. I'd like for you to give this video a thumbs up. We sell a few parts here and there. And scroll down, look at some of the other videos we got. We got something for everybody on this channel. We are a car crazy channel. Scroll down, find some other videos you like, and if you got some time, I'd really appreciate it if you'd watch those videos too and hit the thumbs up on those as well. That really helps us. We have helped a lot of people worldwide get parts for their cars and find cars and just enjoy the car hobby with our videos and stuff and our shenanigans. So appreciate all of you, and let me know if you're interested in this. Bob out.